Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I'd start a new series and I'm going to call it the Elements series. I haven't seen anyone do this, but what I'm going to be doing is the earth, fire, water and air signs, and we're going to try and contribute each of them signs onto my eyes. So today I'm going to be doing the water sign. So the plan is to do a nice glittery all over blue eye look today. So if you want to see the process of this look, then just keep watching. So I have already done my eyebrows today. I use my normal Makeup Revolution brow powder duo with my Gimme Brow, and I have already primed my eyelids using the Wet n Wild eyeshadow primer. So now we're going to jump into this new Earth and Ocean palette, and I just really want to use all these blues in this palette today. So what I am going to do is take this Oasis colour on a blender brush and just use that as our transition colour in the crease. Sorry if you can hear any background noise from outside. I have to have the window open a little bit because it's boiling hot in this room. I'm taking this blue right into the inner part of the crease as well. I'm not stopping halfway, I'm running it all the way through. If you are using this palette, make sure you tap the excess on the top because you do get a little bit of bounce back from the powders. I call it bounce back, but that's not actually what it's called. Okay, so next up we are gonna take Abyss. And we're going to run that through our crease again and just on that outer V. Next up I'm going to take a little bit of Drip Dry and just take this on a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to pack that colour on the outer part. Then what I'm going to do is just wipe the excess off on just a makeup wipe. Flip the brush over, and then what I'm going to do is take the shade Lagoon and then just place that on the remaining part of your lid. You're going to have to really pack this colour on. It's a lovely colour, but it's like pressed glitter. So I am getting a lot of fallout with that colour, but just to blend it in, all you have to do is just go over the line of where you put that blue down, and that should make it blend in nice and seamlessly. So then we're just going to take a smaller brush and take the shade Saltwater and just place this on the inner part of your eye. Just pack this on. Now I'm actually going to take the brush we used on our lid, just wipe any of the excess off from that colour that we used, and just place this the inner corner. Then what I'm going to do is just wipe my brush off and go back in with Lagoon, just to sharpen up this colour a little bit more. And then what I'm going to do is flip it over, go back in with Drip Dry and just sharpen up this colour. And I'm going to go back in with Lagoon just to get those colours blended together. And then I'm just going to go back in with my crease brush and take Abyss and just pop a little bit of that on the outer part. Then I'm just going to build up drip dry just a tiny bit more. Just on that outer part where we just put the darker shade. Then I'm just going to wipe the excess off of my crease brush. And then to take that first colour that we used, which was Oasis. And then just run this all the way through the crease again just to blend out. Then what I'm going to do is just take a clean blending brush. Just blend all them colours together. And that is that part of the eye look done for a moment. So now what I'm going to do is just go in with this e.l.f. gel liner and take just a little eyeliner brush. So we are going to do a wing today. Does anyone else find gel eyeliners a lot more harder to use than like the normal felt tip ones? Because I do. No, I'm not using that. I'm bodging it up today. Right, what I'm going to do now is go in with my Super Cat liner to be able to do the wing, because I bodged that up. Right, now because I bodged that up with the gel liner before, what you can do is take your micellar water, take a little cotton bud and just clean up where it went a bit dodge. Right, I think that is more or less salvaged. Right, so now I'm going to go in with the other eye with this. Feels like this is drying out. The cap came off my makeup bag and I'm not impressed. Right, now we have two wings on our eyes, and trust me, that literally took me forever and I still feel like they're not even. But I don't want to touch them anymore. I don't want to touch them anymore, and I'm not going to. For eyelashes today, I'm going to be using these Ardell Wispy eyelashes. Oh, I need to touch it. I need to. There we go. That looks a bit better. I touched it. I had to. So I'm going to be using the Ardell Wispy lashes in 700, and I am just going to apply these on before I stick mascara on the top. Now I'm going to apply these off camera, so I'll be back in a minute. Right, now we have got our lashes on and our wings on. I'm just going to wait for them to sit for a little bit before putting mascara on them. So I'm just going to take my e.l.f. Hydrating Primer and just put that on my face. This primer does feel really hydrating on the skin. Then what I'm going to do is take my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I did do a first impression on this. So I will link that below if you would like to watch that. Just take a few pumps and dot it around my face. This is a very buildable foundation, like it's one of the most buildable foundations that I do own. Now I'm just going to take my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge and just blend this out. So you see how full coverage that is from the get-go. Now I'm going to go in with another couple of pumps of this, just because we do want our face to be full coverage today, just because we've got so much going on the eyes. Right, now I'm going to go in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer and just conceal under my eyes. And my chin and my cupid's bow. And first of all, I am going to take a little lip brush and just take some of that concealer and just make sure I really conceal right near the eyeliner. Now you can go in with our beauty sponge and just conceal how you normally do. Now what I'm going to do is just take my NARS Orgasm palette, if I can open it, and just take this really light shade just before we put any powders down, and just place that on the higher points of your cheekbones, on your cupid's bow, on the centre of your, on the tip of your nose, sorry, and just above your eyebrows, just to give that extra little bit of highlighting, because you know I like highlight. Now what I'm going to do is take my Cocoa Contour palette and take the light highlight shade from this and just set all them powders down, creamy stuff, I can't talk. And then what I'm going to do is take my NARS Soft Velvet Pressed Powder in the shade Snow, just to set the rest of our face. Now what I'm going to do is go back into that palette and just take a small brush, this one I'm going to take, and I'm just going to go in with salt water from the palette and just bring that colour down your inner corner. Now I'm going to take a bit of Lagoon on that same brush, and I'm literally just going to mimic what we have got on top and just try and place a little bit of that. It's not going to work because it's so creamy. We're not going to do that, we're going to go back in with salt water and just bring that a little bit more underneath. That colour's not going to work because it's so glittery and loose, so you can always like lay a glitter glue down or something to try and prevent the fallout, but I do not want the fallout today. Now I'm going to go in with this brush and just use that drip dry that we used and run that from where you stopped, from like the middle almost to the end. I'm going to leave like a little tiny bit at the end. And now I'm just going to take Abyss and just put a tiny little bit of this in the outer portion of that lower lash line. Now I'm going to go in with my Collection Kohl White Liner and just place this in the waterline. And now what we can do is take your favourite mascara and just coat your top and bottom lashes. I like coating my false lashes afterwards just to blend my natural lashes and the falsies together. There's a little bit of mascara on and just look that bit more dramatic. Now to finish off the face, we are going to really contour today. So I am going to try and use this brush just to try and make it a bit more sharp and take the light contour shade. And then to bronze up our face, we're going to use the medium contour. You don't know, I love this contour palette, it's literally my favourite one. I haven't found anything that's as good as this, so leave your recommendations for contour palettes down below for fair skin, because I really need to find another one that's like holy grail, but every single one I just buy is duds. Like, they're not as good as this one. Right, I'm going to have to hurry up because my camera is dying, so I'm going to take the lighter shade again and just contour my nose. I have bronzed the outskirt of my face just in case my camera cut it out. I can't wait for my new camera to come, seriously. It's so hard filming on this, especially like more intense looks like this that takes a little bit longer. And then just contour under our lip. And then for our blush today, I am going to go in with this e.l.f. blush palette, and I think I'm going to take this shade here at the bottom. Nothing too light. I'm not doing anything dramatic with my blush, just want a light tinge. I'm actually going to go in with this MAC Mineralised Skin Finish in Soft and Gentle. And first I'm actually going to highlight the brow bone with this, because we didn't do that. And now we're going to put it to our cheekbones, Cupid's bow, top of the nose, down your nose, just above the eyebrow. Now for my lips today, I'm going to go in with my Essence lip liner in the nude. And then for my lipstick today, I'm using MAC's Blankety. Just a little bit. I don't know why I always try and talk when I do my lips. And then I wasn't going to, but I need to. I'm going to go over it with Blacksmith. Blacksmith. Now for our setting spray, because I always forget to use this on camera, the e.l.f. Matte Mist. And there we go, that is the finished look. I am loving the blue eyes. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you would like, and hit the notification bell, and let me know what element sign that you want to see next. Do you want to see fire, wind, or earth next? So let me know in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!